Alright guys, that's my John Deere. Let's do the inspection on the oil pan. Alright, one hand. Ooh la la. Hold on, a little bit. Okay guys, I hope you can see. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. Alright guys, I'll show you something. Right there, there's a pickup tube. Very lucky because the pickup tube, there's no dent or whatever, because my oil pan is pretty much beat up guys. I'm gonna fix that one. Going to fix it DIY. Alright guys, let's do some inspection right here. What's this? Pretty much solid, nice and clean. There's no rod knock or whatever. They use the blue silicone gasket maker. Right guys, happy, very happy. Okay guys, nice engine.